Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So, the topic for discussion is 5 effective healthcare marketing strategies. Now, digital marketing is an effective way of promoting anyone's business because the avenue covers internationally via internet, obviously. So, knowing that the internet is more reliable and efficient, especially during this pandemic time, different companies and businesses took this as an advantage and strengthened their standing in online market industries. Healthcare digital marketing agencies offer different marketing methods to improve a healthcare organization's sales and performance. Now, visiting their website would help you to improve your services, how they can boost your business's sales, the different techniques and method used, and other unique features they propose. So there are several marketing strategies that digital marketing use in promoting your business, and you must know about these strategies to determine their effectiveness. The first one comes here is consistency in healthcare branding. You might think that you have incredible skill when it comes to the healthcare industry and you have the most hardworking employees in the healthcare business. But the truth is, in the client's perspective, all of you wearing a white coat in the industry have the same set of skill. Now, no matter how confident you are, people would not spend some time choosing you who would provide services for them. So, unlike how they think through while choosing a product, this is why being consistent in your healthcare branding is one of the most effective healthcare marketing strategies that you can apply to your business. So, if your brand name is known for the fast services that is provided to the customer, then be consistent in providing fast services to the customer. In that way, people will remember your healthcare business and voluntarily spread your brand name to the other people. Like we say, mouth publicity. So this is also an important. The next one is always ask your client's experience. This strategy is known to be one of the most used strategies in any businesses that you can think of. So because taking care of your client or customers is a crucial in business industry, mostly when you are selling a services and not a product. So asking your client about their experience with your company lets them feel like they matter and their satisfaction and their satisfaction is a concern of yours. So even if people are only inquiring about your services or asking some minor questions, you must still ask them about their experience because it is one of the most deciding factor on whether you want to pursue asking for your services or look for another one. So on your website, ensure that you will give them all the information they need right away. They have to know what types of services you offer, your consistent branding, your medical practices, location, prices, and other important informations as well. So if they don't see what you are looking for, they will lose interest in your website and look for another one. So I hope you got it. So next one is build a responsive healthcare website. I know what you have in mind. This third one is like the second right. Well, having a responsive website is not what you are thinking. A responsive website means that your website can automatically adjust to any size of the screen. This means that even if the client using tablet, iPhone, smartphone, laptop or computer, your website will automatically adjust as to what digital technology they are currently using. Now, this strategy is effective in your healthcare digital marketing since your website would be accessible to everyone no matter what kind of gadgets they are using. Changes in the size and the image will fail to lead when the person is using mobile phone, which may lead to loss of possible clients. So to avoid that, make sure you have a responsive website to give your client a good experience. Now the next one comes here is search engine optimization. Now effective methods of digital marketing and its purpose is to put your brand name and website on the top of search engine like Google, Yahoo. So this means that when people try to search healthcare services, your website would be the first on the top. So this can be increase the number of clients will usually click when they see the first search in your search box. So I know what you are thinking. So you're wondering why many sites are appearing at the first. This is because they have intended to do that. So in the healthcare industry, businesses are selling healthcare services that are not common searches on the Google, but still that is an effective healthcare marketing strategy that you can apply. So the last and the fifth one comes here is ask for reviews from patients to fill in the gaps. So the key to have a successful business is to have numerous loyal customers. So you won't know if they are loyal until you ask them to review about your healthcare services. So to do that, your website must provide an automated review question when the person chooses to leave your website. So these are some strategies which can effectively used. You can have to step your game in the digital marketing, because now on this current generation most of the customers and consumers are looking for the products and services in the online world. So I hope this video will help you to improve this, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to Research Circle, and have a good time. Thank you so much.